Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn class 7, semester 2, chapter 2, exponents and powers, power of exponential form. Let us see the example. See the first one, 2 cube whole square. That means 2 power 3 multiplied 2 times. So we have written here 2 power 3 into 2 power 3. That equals to, it is looking like formula a power m into a power n. That equals to a power m plus n. So we have written here 2 power 3 plus 3. That equals to 3 plus 3 means 6. So the answer is 2 power 6. 6 can be written as 3 into 2. So we have written 2 power 6 as 2 power 3 into 2. Therefore, 2 cube whole square is equal to 2 power 3 into 2. Let us see few more examples on this. See now second sum, 3 power 5 whole to the power of 4. That equals to 3 power 5 must be multiplied 4 times. Based on the formula a power m into a power n, that equals to a power m plus n, we have added here powers. That equals to 3 power 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That equals to 4 times we have added 5, that means 20. So we have written 3 power 20. That equals to 20 can be written as 5 into 4. So we have written here 3 power 5 into 4. Therefore, 3 power 5 whole to the power of 4 can be written as 3 power 5 into 4. Now, let us see another example. A power m whole to the power of 5. That means a power m must be multiplied 5 times. So we have multiplied a power m 5 times. See the formula a power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n. To a power we have added m 5 times. That equals to a power 5m. That equals to 5m can be written as 5 into m. So we have written a power 5 into m. We know by properties of integers, a into b can be written as b into a. So we have written 5 into m as m into 5. So that equals to a power m into 5. Therefore, a power m whole to the power of 5 is equal to a power m into 5. Based on the previous observations, we can say that a power m whole power n, that equals to a power m multiplied n times. That equals to, since bases are equal, we can add their exponents. So a power m plus m so on n times. That equals to a power mn. For any non-zero integer a and integers m and n, a power m whole power n equals to a power mn. See now example 3. Simplify the following using the formula a power m whole power n equals to a power mn. See the first sum, 8 power 3 whole power 4. It is looking like a power m whole power n formula. So we have to write 8 power 3 into 4. That is a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. That is a power m into n. So we have multiplied these exponents. That equals to 8 power 3 into 4 how much? 12. Therefore, 8 power 3 whole power 4 is equal to 8 power 12. See the second one, minus 11 whole to the power of 5 whole square. It is looking like formula a power m whole power n. So we can write it as a power m into n. So write down minus 11 whole power 5 into 2. That equals to minus 11 whole power 5 2s are 10. Therefore, minus 11 power 5 whole square is written as minus 11 power 10. See now third sum, 7 power 50 whole square. It is looking like formula a power m whole power n. It can be written as a power m into n. So write down 7 power 50 into 2. That equals to 7 power 50 into 2 means 100. Therefore, 7 power 50 whole square is equal to 7 power 100. See now let's explore. Write the following in exponential form using the formula a power m whole power n equals to a power mn. See the first sum, 6 power 2 whole power 4. It is looking like a power m whole power n. So it can be written as a power m into n. So let us write 6 power 2 into 4. That equals to 6 power 2 4s are 8. Therefore, 6 power 2 whole power 4 is equal to 6 power 8. See now second sum. 2 power 2 whole power 100. It is looking like a power m whole power n. So it can be written as a power m into n, that is 2 power 2 into 100. That equals to 2 power 2 into 100, that is 200. Therefore 2 power 2 whole power 100 is equal to 2 power 200. See now third sum. 20 power 6 whole power 2, that is 20 power 6 into 2. That equals to 20 power 6 2s are 12. Therefore 20 power 6 whole power 2 equals to 20 power 12. See now fourth one. Minus 10 power 3 whole power 5. It is looking like the formula a power m whole power n. That equals to a power m into n. So write down minus 10 power 3 into 5. That equals to minus 10 power 3 5s are 15. Therefore, minus 10 power 3 whole power 5 equals to minus 10 power 15. Today we have seen Chapter 2 Exponents and Powers, Power of Exponential Form with Example Sums. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.